Like I said, we're going to be opening this Mew Psyduck tin because I really want to keep that Psyduck in the Mew. In the tin, we get a coin, Quaxley, which we already have. Got a little Psyduck Mew. We got Stellar Crowns and Obsidian Flames. So we are going to open another Obsidian Flames. This one's got Tyranitar on the pack. Let's see what we get. If you're lucky in the first tin. This one's a bit difficult to open. We have Houndour, Combi, Diglett, Rowlet, Sharpedo, Espeon, Linoon, Tasserina, evolves from Stinny, Reverse Holo, and we got a Gloom full art. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that Gloom. That's cool. And obviously we got Thunderous in the back. These are hits from that pack. That Gloom full art's pretty cool. So what do, guys? We sleeve it. This sleeve. And now we're gonna open Stellar Crowns, and that's a Lapras on the front. So we'll do a trick. Take a code card, that one to the front. You got the basic Metal Energy, Lilip, Bombardier, Electabuzz, Lechonk, Lantern, Slowking, Jirachi, which is a legendary, the Wish Pokemon. Oh, we have a purple card. Now this is a spec, I believe. Yes, a spec. First time pulling an a spec, and this is the Grand Tree. Once per turn into very cool. And a Joltik and a Ledian. Purple card. Dian. Joltik. From this tin, we got 6 hits. Joltik, Reverse Holo, Ledian Foil, A-Spec, Grand Tree, a Tasserina, Thunderous, and a Gloom. So these are the top 2 hits of the pack. Let me get on the focus. Top 2 hits of the pack. Wow. And we're going to add that to the binder right now.
So you have a couple cards to add to the binder. We're going to add Grand Tree and Gloom. So this is a full art, so that goes there.
Lydian here. Tasserina here.
And Thunderous. We already have that Thunderous, but in a Japanese version. So I'm going to do move the Mulga to there. Get that one there. Same art, same art, same art. And Grand Tree, that can go here. Very cool.